50,000 donuts made here every single day. This is how.
Welcome inside America's largest artisan donut factory. The journey begins now.
From raw ingredients to your hands, witness the complete transformation process.
Meet the master baker who's perfected this craft over 30 years.
It starts here in America's heartland, where premium wheat is harvested. Only the finest quality wheat grains make it to our facility.
At the mill, wheat transforms into silky, smooth, all-purpose flour.
Each bag is sealed fresh, ready for immediate transport to production. Fresh milk comes from local dairy farms just 50 miles away. Refrigerated trucks maintain perfect temperature during the entire journey to factory. Pure cane sugar arrives from Louisiana, refined to perfection daily. Farm fresh eggs are collected every morning for superior donut texture. All ingredients arrive at our facility before 6 a.m. each day.
Every single shipment undergoes rigorous quality inspection before approval and acceptance.
Ingredients rest in temperature-controlled storage, maintaining optimal freshness always. Production begins with precise measurements verified by our master baker. 200 pounds of flour measured exactly for this morning's batch. 30 pounds of pure cane sugar adds that signature sweetness.
Cold whole milk, kept at precisely 38 degrees Fahrenheit.
15 dozen farm fresh eggs provide rich color and perfect texture.
Active yeast activates in warm water, the secret to rise.
Premium vegetable shortening ensures that tender, melt-in-mouth texture.
A touch of salt and pure vanilla extract complete the recipe.
The spiral mixer combines everything, creating perfect dough in 12 minutes. The dough pulls clean from both sides, signaling perfect development. The dough is carefully transferred to begin its first rise. Proofing room temperature set to 78 degrees. Humidity 75.
Over 45 minutes, the dough doubles from yeast activity.
Degassing removes excess air, preparing dough for the next phase.
Industrial divider cuts dough into exactly equal portions every single time. Each portion is rounded into perfect spheres by automated machinery.
Dough balls rest 15 minutes, allowing gluten to relax completely.
The sheeter rolls dough to precisely 1/2 inch thickness.
A perfect canvas ready for cutting into classic donut shapes.
Automated cutters punch out 72 donuts every single minute, precisely.
Each donut measures exactly 3.5 inches in diameter.
Nothing goes to waste. The centers become delicious donut holes.
Donuts are spaced evenly on trays for proper air circulation.
The second proof happens in controlled humidity for 30 minutes.
Watch them rise again, becoming light, pillowy,
and absolutely perfect.
Properly proofed donuts jiggle slightly when gently shaken. They're ready.
Now comes the magic. Frying transforms dough into golden perfection.
Listen to that perfect sizzle as donuts meet the oil.
They fry exactly 1 minute per side for even golden color.
Watch the color transform from pale dough to beautiful golden brown.
Automated flippers ensure perfectly even cooking on both sides always.
Crispy outside, fluffy inside. That's the perfect donut texture goal.
After 2 minutes total, they're lifted from the oil carefully.
Cooling racks allow excess oil to drain, preventing any greasiness.
They cool for exactly 3 minutes before glazing can begin.
The signature glaze starts simple: powdered sugar, water, pure vanilla.
Mixed until perfectly smooth, it should flow like warm honey. The glaze must ribbon smoothly, not too thick, never thin. Cooled donuts travel along the conveyor toward the glazing waterfall. This is pure magic. Warm glaze cascading over every donut. Watch how it spreads perfectly, coating every surface evenly here. Excess glaze drips off, collected below. Nothing ever gets wasted. The glaze sets within minutes, creating that signature glossy finish.
Quality control checks every batch, ensuring consistency and absolute perfection.
Some donuts continue for special flavors. Others head to packaging.
Premium chocolate glaze made from real cocoa, never artificial ingredients.
Each chocolate donut hand-dipped, ensuring complete coverage every time. Sprinkles added immediately while chocolate is still wet and sticky.
Cream fills the center completely, edge to edge, perfect distribution.
Strawberry jelly made from real fruit, cooked fresh here daily.
Jellied surface donuts receive generous filling, then dusted with powdered sugar.
Real maple syrup glaze, never imitation, creates authentic flavor here.
Maple bacon, our signature flavor. Sweet meets savory perfection, beautifully.
Cinnamon sugar donuts rolled fresh, still warm from the fryer. Each drizzle pattern applied by hand, making every donut unique.
Toasted nuts add perfect crunch, sourced from local American suppliers.
Shredded coconut pressed gently, creating tropical flavor and texture combination.
Final decorations added with care, transforming donuts into edible art.
20 different flavors created fresh every single morning without fail here.
Taste testing ensures every batch meets our exceptionally high standards.
Temperature checks confirm the perfect doneness and complete food safety always. Automated counters ensure each box contains exactly 12 perfect donuts. Boxes assembled fresh, featuring our signature branding and quality seal. Each donut nestled carefully, ensuring they arrive absolutely picture perfect.
Sealed fresh with timestamp, guaranteeing maximum quality and freshness.
Display cases arranged beautifully, making selection easy for every customer. Protective shields maintain freshness while allowing customers to see clearly. Production tracked real-time, 50,000 donuts and counting today.
The team's dedication and skill creates consistency you can taste.
Refrigerated trucks maintain perfect freshness during every delivery route, always. Deliveries begin at 6 a.m., ensuring stores receive fresh inventory.
Our drivers serve 200 locations across the entire region.
Retail partners display our donuts alongside their specialty coffee offerings.
Major grocery chains feature our donuts in premium bakery sections. The hot and fresh sign draws eager customers every morning. That first customer smile makes all our hard work worthwhile.
Choosing favorites becomes the delicious dilemma customers face every day.
That first bite moment, pure satisfaction, this is why we exist.
From our family to yours, creating sweet moments every single day.